Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is Triple Two Tarot Readings, and this reading is gonna be for Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus for the month of December 2020. In regards of love, career, and finances, we're gonna see what your person is thinking about you. Will they come back? Will they contact you? Will they communicate? Do they miss you? We're gonna see all of that. So stick around till the end. Let's see what we have for Aries. Let's see what we have for Aries. What we have for Aries for the month of December, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And Aries, God bless you all. Let's see. Aries, keep in mind this is a general reading, so it may or may not gonna resonate for each Aries out there. So take what is resonating with you and leave the rest. Okay, so you could be dealing with a Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, or a Leo. You are strong, Aries. You are getting strong day by day, and you are transforming. You are a different person now. Someone is dreaming about you. Someone is thinking about you. Maybe they are stalking you on social media, and they are thinking about you a lot. You are on their mind a lot. Yes, maybe they are planning something. They are planning to come back. They are resting. They are waiting for the right time. Let's see. Here you are taking good care of yourself. You are happy also. You are getting strong day by day. This past person juggled you. This past person juggled you with another person. There was a third party situation. They juggled you with another party. They rejected you for another party. You may be dealing with a Capricorn, Taurus, and Virgo. They confused you. They conflicted you. And yes, this was their energy. They juggled you. They betrayed you. They deceived you. They hurt you. They broke your heart. Definitely there was a third party situation. They juggled you with another party, which was very bad, right? Which was very bad. Let's see. They are coming back. Aries, your past person is coming back with a very immature energy. They are coming back to betray you again. You should be beware in the month of December for some of you. But you are very strong. You will face them. I know you will face them. But they are coming back very soon, very fast, and very immature energy. They are coming back with a very immature energy. If you will accept your past person's offer, they will betray you again. They will deceive you again. So yeah. But you are on right path. You are taking good care of yourself. Spirits want to say you that you are on right path with a strength card. Let's see. You are walking away. You don't want your past person in your life again. You are walking away from a certain situation because you think that this person didn't give you what you deserve, so you are moving on. You are ending this cycle. You may be dealing with a Pisces, Cancer, and Scorpio. Some kind of mysterious things are happening, will be happening in the month of December 2020. Some secrets will be revealed. Maybe your past person will come to give you some clarity about something, and they will, yeah. Let's see. Okay. Wow, very good opportunities are coming in your way. Maybe a new love offer is coming in your way, but this card is for the career. Maybe in your career, very good opportunities are coming. You have to see these opportunities. You have to grab these opportunities. Let's see. Justice. You may be dealing with the Libra. Someone wants justice here. Someone wants justice here. Maybe you want justice. You want apology from your past person because you don't want your past person back in your life. You just want apology. Yes. Let's see. Okay, so your past person is also thinking about you. We have two thinking cards, which is this Four of Swords, and another one is this, the Hanged Man. They are thinking about you. They are missing your memories. They are resting. They are waiting for the right time. They will come back again. They will communicate to you. They will come back. Your karmic cycle is finally ending up, which is very good thing. A new beginning is coming in the month of December 2020. Maybe a new love offer is coming. Yes, you are complete right now. Your karmic lessons are end. A very balanced opportunity is coming in your way. Maybe a balanced and good man is coming in your way who is very good, emotionally balanced. They will take care of you. It may be a Capricorn, Taurus and Virgo. You are very guarded up in your energy. You don't want your past person back, either your new love. You don't want anyone in your life. Maybe you are saving money for something. In case you are not saving money for anything, you have to save. It could be your message. Your pentacles will be very good in the month of December, by the way. You are very guarded up in your energy. You want to be alone for some time. Okay, so we have so many cards. I'm not gonna take these cards, but I have to read. So yes, with the Eight of Wands, very fast communication is coming in your way. Maybe it's your past person. Okay, so all the cards are negative. So your ex is coming back with a very immature energy. Very immature energy. If you are waiting for the new love, you should see my next part, which is singles. Okay, so yeah, Wheel of Fortune. You are very guarded up. All the cards are negative. I don't have to read it because yes, someone is coming here with a very immature energy. They are happy, but they just don't want to see you happy. This is their energy. Okay, so very confused reading, very negative reading was today. Your reading was not good today. Let's see what you are on right path. I told you before. Forget the past. Yes, I told you. Options are coming for you. Yes. Don't lie to yourself. Okay. Everything will be okay. You need not to worry about it. So everything will be okay. Let's do singles now. I hope you got your message. I hope you got your message. Let's see what we have for singles. Singles Aries. Let's see. New beginning is coming. Wow, a very good connection is coming your way. You may be dealing with a Gemini in your near future. Very good opportunities is coming in your way. This new person will heal your wounds. Yeah. You will be happy again. They are already thinking about you. They are planning something. Very balanced person is coming towards you. But you are very guarded up in your energy. You don't want a new love in your life. But very good opportunity is coming your way. If you want new love in your life, you have to see this. And you have to see these. Very good and fast communication is coming in your way. And yeah. Someone is manifesting about you. Someone is manifesting here. A businessman is coming towards you. A Capricorn, Taurus and Virgo. But you are the Queen of Swords. You are thinking that if a new love offer will come in your way, you are thinking that this person will betray you again. But this is not truth. This person is coming back with a very good energy, very happy energy. You have to see this offer. So yeah, okay. That's what I had for you. I hope you got your message. And sorry for the background noise. And yeah, okay. So I hope you like this video. If you like this, please subscribe to my channel, like this video and leave me a comment. Virgo. Okay, bye. I'll see you next time. God bless you. Bye.